Top 9 amazing facts about the Philippines. In the heart of Asia lies a country that's both a tropical paradise and a land rich in culture, the Philippines. But trust me, what you're about to hear will truly surprise you. Here are 9 amazing facts about the Philippines. 1. The only Christian majority country in Asia. The Philippines is the only country in Asia where more than 90% of the population is Christian. This is a legacy of over 300 years of Spanish colonization. 2. The texting and social media capital of the world. Filipinos are among the most active texters on earth. Instead of WhatsApp, almost everyone uses Facebook Messenger. Here, texting isn't just communication, it's a way of life. 3. Over 120 languages are spoken, more than 120 languages, and dialects are spoken across the islands. The official languages are Filipino and English. That's why the Philippines is one of Asia's most popular destinations for English education. 4. Jeepneys, the colorful kings of the road. After World War II, old American Jeeps were transformed into jeepneys, brightly decorated vehicles that look like moving pieces of art. They are now one of the country's most iconic symbols. 5. Tayal Volcano, an island within a lake, within an island. It's a volcano inside a lake, on an island, which itself sits inside another lake. This natural wonder is one of the most unique geological formations in the world. 6. 7,641 islands. The Philippines is made up of 7,641 islands. Only about 2,000 of them are inhabited. If you visited one island per day, it would take you over 20 years to see them all. 7. The land of coconuts. The Philippines is one of the largest coconut producers in the world, second only to India. Drinking coconut water here isn't just a habit, it's practically a national tradition. 8. The longest Christmas season in the world. Filipinos start celebrating Christmas as early as September. The festivities last for about 4 months, making it the longest Christmas celebration anywhere on Earth. 9. The Philippines was named after a king. The name Philippines comes from King Philip II of Spain. In the 16th century, Spanish explorer Ruy López de Villalobos named the islands Las Islas Filipinas, which means the Islands of Philip. That name has remained ever since. So those were the top 9 amazing facts about the Philippines. Which one surprised you the most? Leave a comment below, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.